What is the value of index of expansion for supersaturated steam? Pvn C N is the index of expansion. A 1.3, B 1.013, C 1.135, D 1. The correct answer is 1.3. Calculate the degree of supersaturation if steam at 10 bar 250 C is discharged at 2 bar by a convergent-divergent nozzle. Consider metastable steam expansion and negligible inlet velocity. A 5.65, B 3.11, C 2.15, D 2.36. The correct answer is 3.11. Which of the following is the correct formula for calculating the supercooled temperature of steam when steam metastable expansion of steam takes place inside a steam nozzle? T2 supercooled temperature, T1 inlet temperature of steam. A frac T2 T1 frac P2 P1 frac N1. B frac T2 T1 frac P2 P1 frac N1 N. C frac T2 T1 frac P1 P2 frac N1. D frac T2 T1 frac P2 P1 frac N1. The correct answer is frac T2 T1 frac P2 P1 frac N1. Steam at 15 bar pressure and 250 C enters a convergent-divergent steam nozzle and leaves at 4 bar. The mass flow rate is 5 kg. Calculate the exit area of the nozzle if the expansion is metastable. A 0.00542187 m2. B 0.00291447 m2. C 0.036521 m2. D 0.003265 m2. The correct answer is 0.00291447 m2. Air at 600 K flows with 3 kg S into a heat exchanger and out at 100 C. How much kg S water coming in at 100 K per 20 C can the air heat to the boiling point? A 0.37 kg S. B 0.17 kg S. C 0.27 kg S. D 0.57 kg S. The correct answer is 0.27 kg S. Steam at 12 bar and 300 C enters a convergent-divergent steam nozzle and leaves at 3 bar. If the expansion of the steam is metastable, calculate the supercooled temperature. A 165 C. B 143 C. C 154 C. D 120 C. The correct answer is 143 C. Determine the exit pressure of steam if the steam enters a nozzle at 11 bar and 300 C. At the outlet it is observed that the specific volume of the steam is 0.86804 m3 kg. The expansion of steam is metastable. A 4 bar. B 3 bar. C 2 bar. D 1 bar. The correct answer is 2 bar. Steam at 20 bar and 300 C enters a convergent-divergent steam nozzle and is discharged at 3 bar. Considering the effects of supersaturation, calculate the degree of undercooling. A 36.65 C. B 45.54 C. C 23.32 C. D 62.87 C. The correct answer is 36.65 C. Calculate the enthalpy drop. Steam enters a convergent-divergent nozzle at 11 bar and 250 C and leaves at 1 bar. The expansion is to be considered metastable. A 4,27,031.34 kg. B 55,648.32 kg. C 3,23,654.25 kg. D 1,58,469.21 kg. The correct answer is 4,27,031.34 kg. A steam turbine has an inlet of 2 kg s water at 1000 kPa 350 C and velocity of 15 ms. The exit is at 100 kPa x1 and very low velocity. Find the specific work. A 382.3 kg. B 482.3 kg. C 582.3 kg. D 682.3 kg. The correct answer is 482.3 kg. Superheated R-134a at 0.5 MPa 20 C is cooled in a piston cylinder at constant temperature to a final two-phase state with quality of 50. The refrigerant mass is 5 kg and during the process 500 kg of heat is removed. Find the necessary work. A 67.9 kg. B 77.9 kg. C 87.9 kg. D 97.9 kg. The correct answer is 87.9 kg. Which of the following the correct formula for calculating the exit velocity of steam through nozzle considering the expansion to be metastable? A C2 SQRT2 frac N1 N1 P1 VG11 frac P2 P1 frac N1 N. B C2 SQRT2 frac N1 N1 P1 VG11 frac P2 P1 frac N1 N. C2 SQRT2 frac N1 P1 VG11 frac P2 P1 frac N1 N. DC2 SQRT2 frac N1 P1 VG11 frac P2 P1 frac N1 N. The correct answer is C2 SQRT2 frac N1 P1 VG11 frac P2 P1 frac N1 N. Which of the following statement about metastable expansion of steam through a steam nozzle is false? A. It increases the discharge through the nozzle. B. Steam is undercooled to a temperature less than that corresponding to its pressure. C. Density of steam is increased. D. Exit velocity of the steam is increased. The correct answer is exit velocity of the steam is increased. Which of the following is not an effect of supersaturation in steam flowing through a convergent-divergent nozzle? A. Increase in specific volume of steam. B. Increase in the entropy of steam. C. Improvement in dryness fraction. D. Increase in the enthalpy drop. The correct answer is increase in the enthalpy drop. What is Wilson line? A. It is an isothermal line at which the condensation completes. B. Saturation line of water is also called Wilson line. C. It represents the limiting condition of undercooling at which the condensation begins. D. It represents an isobaric line at which the condensation commences. The correct answer is it represents the limiting condition of undercooling at which the condensation begins. Nitrogen gas flows into a convergent nozzle at 200 kPa 400 K and very low velocity. It flows out of the nozzle at 100 kPa 330 K. If the nozzle is insulated, find the exit velocity. A. 681.94 ms. B. 581.94 ms. C. 481.94 ms. D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is none of the mentioned. The point on the HS diagram at which the condensation begins and normal conditions of thermal equilibrium are restored is said to be on A. Wilson line. B. Saturation Whipper curve. C. Constant dryness fraction line. D. Constant pressure line. The correct answer is Wilson line. Considering metastable expansion to be in effect the flow of wet steam though a convergent-divergent nozzle shall result in a discharge slightly less than the calculated one. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false. The sudden expansion of dry saturated steam in the absence of dust doesn't lead to condensation until its density is about 8 times that of the saturated vapor of the same pressure. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true.